guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do this very simple plus beautiful makeup look, perfect for every day. So if you guys wanna know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So for the foundation, I'm using this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and for the concealer, I'm using my trusty Maybelline Instant A01 Concealer and Bounce with my Wet Beauty Blender. So now I'm using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit to contour my face, especially my cheekbone, forehead, jawline and my nose. And if you guys don't want to contour, then you can totally skip this step because I have big, round and chubby face, so I have to contour my face. Yeah. So for the blusher, as usual, I'm using my Benefit Gold Rusher. And for the highlighter, I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild highlighter, and especially applying on my nose, cheekbone and a little bit on my cupid's bow as well. And I'm so sorry guys, I'm singing a song. So for my brow, I'm going to use this Benefit Cream Gel Brow, and I'm in the number 3. So for the lipstick, I'm using this ELF lipstick and I'm in the shade Brick. So I'm blending my lipstick with my finger because I want a little bit kind of natural. So to make my eyes look a little bit bigger, so I'm going to use this mascara from Too Faced. So that's it guys, it's very simple and kind of natural. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video and let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.